Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Jose E. and Ayala Flores' house here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. I'm currently standing on the front slope of their property. Here's an overview. There's also an overview of the shingles and the shingle condition that we're dealing with today. Now, today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle and replacing it with a new shingle. Now, upon arrival, I do believe these are a discontinued shingle. I believe that they've stopped making the 3 tabs in this size and dimension. Now, we can send this shingle that I pull off to testing, but if you can see from this video right here, let me just angle this. Here's the damaged shingle lined up. Move it over a little bit more. Here's the damaged shingle lined up with the normal 3 tab that's in production today, and as you can see, they're completely different sizes and dimensions. So we'll go ahead and send it off for testing as well. But I am going to let you guys follow along during this repair. Like I said, here's the shingle we're removing. As you can tell, the shingle ends right there. You can see the tab, which means it's these 3 tabs. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down on my cushion. Oop, let me turn you guys right side back up. Oh, you guys can see all the shingles. Hey guys, these nails are a little high nailed. These are a little farther back in the strip. Should be all the nails, guys. Should just pop out. Looks like we missed one. This one's hidden. All right, so guys, so this nail is located right here. I'll show you guys that way. Show you why I have to lift the shingle a little bit higher. The nail is all the way up there, as you can see. I have to lift this one a little bit higher to get that nail out. And I'll go ahead, guys, when I'm done with the video, I can go ahead and trim another shingle to put in this empty space. But like I said, for video's sake, I'll do that after the video. But I'll show you after how much room is left, not only width-wise, but the shingles are taller vertically than the shingles that are still in production, so guys, new shingle in place. Here it is. Like I said, there's a big width difference in the shingles that are being produced today and the shingles we have on this roof. Now, none of these shingles were affected by the repair, so I can rub my hands across these and nothing changes. No granules, there are no loose granules, no granules fall off this roof. Now, you can already see where some of the granules have already started to fall off on these shingles. Now, if I do the same motion with my hand to these shingles, you can see all the granules that fell off. Now, this is what we're left with. Creasing all across the top on all of these shingles. I'll chalk this guy up for you guys just in case the quality of the video isn't as good. Thank you for your consideration.